Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our cooking channel today, and happy St. Patty's Day. Am I dressed for it or what? But you know, we're doing a wonderful meal today. We're going to start out this morning, or early morning, with an Irish soda bread that we're going to be cooking in a 10-inch Dutch oven. And I've gone ahead and we're going to be doing this over briquettes today. And what I've done ahead of time, I've got 2 cups of whole wheat flour and 2 cups of all-purpose white flour. And I put that in there with 2 teaspoons of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt. And I mix that up real well. And this is a very, very easy soda bread to make, believe me. And then we're going to add a cup and 3/4 cup of cultured buttermilk here. And of course, I wanted to let you know, we're not in Wyoming, we're down here in southeast Arizona, and it is so beautiful. We are blessed with this beautiful country, but it sure does look like up home in Montana, Wyoming. Of course, right now we're dealing with a few hunters around here. It's hunting season for javelinas, and we haven't seen any, thank goodness. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on this, and then please hang in there with us. A little bit later, we're going to be doing another YouTube video today, a glazed corned beef. Oh my goodness, it is going to be wonderful. And that's going to be cooked also in our Dutch oven. So what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is, you want to shake this real well, make sure it's mixed real good. And I'm going to add my buttermilk. And then just mix this all together with my hands, because that's what bread making is all about. And this dough will be a little bit sticky, so I've got flour here on my cutting board here to mix this up. Oh yes, last year we did a corned beef cabbage. Oh my goodness, that turned out really great. We have a lot of wonderful recipes on our channel. You got to check them out. Of course, we would love it if you would subscribe. You know, when you subscribe, some people get confused. It doesn't cost anything. All that does is just alert you that we have new videos coming out. And we try to get them out every Tuesday. Yes, my husband's helping there. You got to hit that little bell icon, because that will alert you that we have a new one coming out. And this bread does not have to rise. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to form this into a ball, put it in our Dutch oven, and we like to line it with parchment paper. That just works out really great. And you just lift it out with the parchment paper. No, I haven't. I would love to see some. Oh, good luck. Good luck. You just hang in there. Oh my. You drink enough Irish whiskey, you'll be seeing more than leprechauns. You know, my dough needs a little bit more buttermilk, so there's no rules. It just needs a little bit more liquid to get things mixed together here a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is just kind of pour a little bit more in here.
Heck yeah, in the old days they never made.
Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm going to knead this just a bit, probably 5 to 6 times. It doesn't matter, just to get it kind of, that flour worked into it. This is a fun part. I just love doing this. Then I'm going to shape it into about a 6-inch round little loaf, and then we're going to take a sharp knife and make a cross on the top of it. Oh, this bread is so wonderful, and it's going to go really, really great with our corned beef later. There you go. See how beautiful that is? Then you just kind of shape it in a nice round little ball. And this bread doesn't rise. With the buttermilk and the soda, that kind of helps it. You know, with the simple ingredients that you put in here, there's only 4 ingredients in this. It just makes it great. And I'm going to make a cross. Excuse me, I have a little bumblebee that thinks he's going to help me here. Now I'm going to put this into our Dutch oven that we have lined with parchment paper. And then when it's done, we just slip that out by the parchment paper. That just works really great. Now, like I told you, if you go to the description down below, there's a complete recipe with how we bake this. So if I miss anything, you can certainly check that out.
All right, think the briquettes are ready. Let's get it going.
Wonderful. I can't wait to have a bite of this with
You and me both.
some butter and some homemade jelly. Oh boy, life is good.
Well, boy, Tamara, does that look great?
Boy, does it. And it took about 35 minutes at about 400. Of course, my wonderful husband, the cameraman, kept an eye on the briquettes and got this to a golden brown. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy this is to lift this out of here. Look at that. Oh boy, we can't wait to enjoy this later. Of course, remember I told you that we're going to do 2 videos today. Our next one is going to be a glazed corned beef that is going to be really, really great. So please watch that also, and we're going to have that along with this Irish soda bread. We are really going to enjoy St. Patty's Day. Of course, you know, I'm going to tell you that our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times, and we'll see you in a little bit.